everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a clean with me video and I'm going to be cleaning the main areas of my house, the kitchen, and the living room. I'm getting ready to do the dishes, but first I needed to put all of the clean dishes that were in the dishwasher away. After a long day of playing, my son's toys are everywhere. I'm just getting those picked up and put back where they belong. It had been a few days since I had dusted, so I decided to do that as well. So that I can do the dishes and wipe down the countertops. Sanitizing the sink is always a must. I'm wiping down the counters using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in lavender. Since laundry is never ending in my house, I'm throwing a load in. Anyone who has a toddler knows that there's sticky fingerprints everywhere, so wiping down the refrigerator every night is definitely a must. With 2 dogs and a little one in the house, I have to vacuum and mop almost every single day. Now on to the dining room. This is the first room when you walk into my house, so it tends to collect a lot of clutter. Using a steam mop is my favorite way to clean all of my floors on the lower level since they are all tile. Finally, everything is all picked up and cleaned. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.